Okay, so to fold your winter squash tortellini, here I have the winter squash filling, and you can see it's very thick and stiff. The reason for that being we did not use too much liquid in the filling, and then we've also refrigerated it overnight so that the butter and the mascarpone cheese have hardened. I also have the dumpling wrappers here and a bowl of water. So this is how we fold the tortellini. I'm going to take the dumpling wrapper, and sometimes you can see that it's not a perfect circle, but it's more of an oblong, and I usually have it so that the longer part of the circle is on the vertical and the shorter part is on the horizontal. Then I'm going to add about 3/4 of my melon baller of filling, and it should be about 20 grams of filling. And I have my scale here so you can see. So it's about 20 grams, 2 grams being for the weight of the wrapper. Now, I'm going to take my filling and I'm going to wet the edges. And I'm only going to wet half a circle. So let's say this is the face of a clock. This is 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm going to fold at 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock so that I can make half a circle. And using my thumb, because the filling is not too sticky, I'm just going to flatten it down so it does adhere to the dough. So I'm going to squeeze at 6 and 12, and then take my thumb and forefingers and I'm going to squeeze along the edges of the circumference. I'm squeezing out all the air pockets, because the air pockets, as it boils, will then expand and then the seam might break, thereby releasing your filling. So we don't want that to happen. So now that we've completely sealed your half a circle and there are no air pockets, take some water and put it on either ends of the tips. So it's going to be on one side on the top and then the bottom side on the other side. And then I'm going to squeeze it along the straight edge, and the wet edges I'm going to join together, and then the sides of the circumference I'm going to just seal it so that it is a perfect circle, and then squeeze it down. So I've made myself a tortellini there. And then in the back it should look like there's a straight line there. And then I'll just go ahead and set this down, and there should be a little flat edge, so it'll look like that. And that's how you make your tortellini. More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!